In today's world, people are leaning more and more towards green solutions to everyday problems, and by using solar power, we conformed with this trend. We have modified the classic AC system to require far less and produce far more. We created an evaporative or swamp cooler. This machine harnesses the abundant energy of the sun.
Our motivation behind building this revolutionary idea is that today in Texas prisons and third world countries, people are dying due to inadequate living temperatures. These environments need a cost effective solution to the surrounding humidity, and we tailored a cooler that will effectively dissipate the problem.
With the ability to produce more, we took into account the economical side as we used materials that would ensure longevity of the product while still remaining cost effective. Our evaporative cooler uses the cooling power of water to chill the air in any household room. We started with a blue tub that would be used as a housing device for all of the equipment that makes up the Aweswamp Cooler.
For our power source, we selected a 12-volt battery that has enough power to run the fan that we selected. The fan is able to run off a car jack, which is important as then we were able to easily adapt it to run off of the battery. The thing that makes this cooler unique from all others is that it is able to run off solar energy. So to satisfy this claim, we selected a trickle charger that is specifically made for a 12-volt battery.
The panel only charges the battery and does not directly power the other components. The other half of the cooler consists of a water pump that will move the water that sits in the bottom of the tub to the top of the filter that the fan will then blow air through. In order to make the cooler more durable and able to be in many different environments, we fabricated an outer shell made of galvanized steel.
To make the construction of the shell easier and cleaner, we decided to simply bend the steel instead of welding it. To attach the ends, we used rivets that are durable enough to survive through all terrains.
Our major problem today is that people don't have adequate living conditions. Locally, the main problem lies in Texas prisons, where inmates have died due to hyperthermia. The state government refuses to fund for the installation of expensive air conditioning units in all prisons. This has put the government under heat after they gave $750,000 towards the installation of 6 air conditioning units in a swine slaughterhouse in Texas. The state is looking for a cost-effective solution that would solve the problems that the temperature has created. Our group is prepared to address this problem, beginning in Texas prisons and then expanding it to other regions. Hopefully, this evaporative cooler will one day expand to help third world countries that also suffer from heat problems. Other corporations have constructed evaporative coolers, but they are not cost efficient and cost thousands of dollars. Our product, however, creates a cheap and simple way to supply cool air to almost anywhere.